everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review this Govo Soundbar wireless subwoofer. So friends, before I unbox and review this speaker, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So before we unbox this, let's check this print on the box. The first thing, it says the 5.1 channel high definition sound with DSP chipset. And here on the second, you can see 500 to 25 watt powerful 3D sound of 5 explosive 2.0 drivers and 6.5 subwoofer. And the third one is immersed in Dolby Audio deep bass with an elegant wireless sound subwoofer. And here's the fourth one, multiple connectivity through aux, HDMI, USB and an optical. Switch through 3 different equalizer modes of movie, news and music with the remote control. Select glossy premium finish with an LED display. Wireless Bluetooth V5.3. Integrated control panel. Dolby Audio format supporting Dolby Digital Plus with fast connectivity 5.8 GHz. So now let's check on the other side of the print on the box. Here it says package contains the soundbar and wireless subwoofer. Then here's the satellite speakers, remote control, aux cable, power cord, power adapter, and here is the user manual, warranty card. Color is the platinum black. And if you want to know about the model number, it's the goes around 990. Commodity, it's Bluetooth soundbar. Net quantity, it's only one you will get. And about the month and year of the manufacture, it's here 2024. As you can see, the price here, it's the 36,909. But this is not the actual price. This is only the print price. If you see online, then you can check it out. The actual price is under the 10,000 and above. Okay. And about the net weight, it's 7.1 kg, gross weight 9.5 kg, and package dimension, it's L 90.0 cm, XW 24.0 cm, XH 48 cm, 5 cm. So now let's unbox this Go soundbar. So friends, here's the under the packages, the things that we get. And before we know the details of the things of the subwoofer and soundbars, so let's start it. Here's the remote that we get under the package. This is the Govo remote and this is the manual guides. Okay, you can check it out under the manual guides, how to set up it and how to connect it. And this is the Govo soundbar. And here's the mini speaker, 2 mini speakers. Okay, and this is the subwoofer and some adapter. Here is the adapter. Okay, here's the build quality of this soundbar. And if you want to know about the build quality of this soundbar, then this is the still soundbar. It's very good. And this is the Dolby Audio. And on the middle you are going to find this, and here's the logo of Govo. And on the back side, friends, as you can see on the backward, it's this is the connectivity, and here is the aux, USB. This is the ARC. If you want to connect through TV, then you can connect through here. And here's the optical, then DC in. And here's the some detail about the product. It's 5.1 CH Dolby Audio soundbar. Here's the model, and here it shows the Dolby Audio manufactured under the license from Dolby Laboratories. So now let's check even this subwoofer also. Friends, as you can see, the subwoofer, it's look very amazing. Here's the logo of the Govo. And here it's given the hole. Okay, it's very looks so different and elegant. And on the sideward, if you see on the sideward, then this is the speaker. On the both side you will get this speaker. Okay, on the left and right side. And if you look at the mini speakers, then it's look very amazing. You can even take it out, this one. If you want to take it out, it's a little bit hard. You can take it out this stand. Okay, when you take it out, here you can see under it there's the speakers. Okay, and even this mini speaker also, it's look very elegant. So friends, now let's connect our Govo subwoofer and soundbar speaker. So now I'm going to connect this one here under this DC in. You should connect this one under this DC in, okay? This is this soundbar adapter, okay? Power soundbar adapter. This is the main wire, cable wire. You can connect this one through this under this AC in, okay? You just insert this like this. Then you can look at here, here's the to pair, okay? After connect, then you can pair it. This is the button of the pair. And this two, you can connect this mini speaker, this board mini speaker. Look at it, SR out and SL, okay? It means right side and left side. So let's insert it. So this two, if you are confused, then I have connected this two, okay? Look at it. And if you are thinking about this, then this is the connectivity you can connect on the wall, okay? Even through this soundbar also you will get the same thing under this soundbar. Friends, on the down you can look at here. It's given the grip so that your soundbar or speaker won't slip for the soundbar. So here is the two wires. This wires is of the soundbar and this wire is the for the subwoofer. So now I'm going to connect through the electric. So now let's start. Here's the remote, and if you look at the remote, then here it's look very beautiful and it's a little bit mini. And if you want to know about the remote, then friends, here's the remote, and under the remote you won't get a battery, okay? You have to buy battery for this remote, okay? And if you want to know about the detail of the remote, then here's the power on and off. This is to mute it, and here's the volume plus and volume minus. Here's the next, and this is the previous, it means the previous song, okay? This is the play and pause. Here's the EQ, and this is the wireless connectivity. Here's the input, and this is the true plus and true minus, R volume plus and R volume minus, bass plus and bass minus. So now let's turn on. Before we turn on, we have to insert the battery. So here it's done. Just insert this. Now let's turn it on. So friends, now I'm going to turn on it. Here's the power button. Just turn on it. Here it's written ARC and it has been turned on. Under the subwoofer, you will see the light on the back side. This shows that it has been turned on. Through the light, we will know that it's turned on, okay? This is the input to change the mode, okay? It's written AUX, and now when I click on the input, it's ARC, and now it's changed to USB, and now changed to optical. And to connect through Bluetooth, then you have to click on BT, okay? So to connect it, you have to take your cell phone, then you have to move through the Bluetooth. Just turn on the Bluetooth and press on the Bluetooth. After you press on the Bluetooth, then show the name of your, if Govo shows here, then you have to connect. Here's the Go Surround. Just tap on Go Surround and it's pairing. And when it's pairing, friends, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. And here it says allow access to your contacts and calls. You can just pair it. You can even allow also if you want to allow, but I don't allow it. I just pair it, okay? So now it's connected, and now you can, let's start the sound test. I'm searching this no copy right sound, okay? And friends, if you want to increase the sound or bass, you can increase through the remote. It's only 20%, okay? It's increased only 20%. As you can see, it's 29. You can even increase the bass. And you can increase more the sound. friends, here is all about the Govo and about the sound testing. As you can hear it out, it's very amazing. You can even increase it more, but I'm shooting this video at night time, so that's why I cannot increase the volume. So if you are interested, you can check it out under the Flipkart or Amazon. And friends, if you like it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. And friends, not only that, if you are interested, then you can buy just right now.